today's topic is CSS. So first we look at our agenda today. First, we discuss what is CSS. Why do we use CSS with HTML? And lastly, how to use CSS. In the end, we also look at our CSS syntax. So, let's dive into the video. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Stylesheet. CSS is the most popular stylesheet. CSS has also preprocessors like Sass and Less. Why do we use CSS with HTML? HTML is markup in nature, so we use CSS to style our HTML structure. CSS is easily linked with our HTML to style our web page structure. How to use CSS? CSS is used in three ways: as an external file, as an internal tag, or as inline styling. The external file means creating another file in the project directory with the extension with .css. Internal tag means using style tag in our HTML file in the head tag and provide styling to our desired tags. Inline styling means providing style to HTML tags with the tag style attribute. CSS is a pair of property names and property values. H1 is the targeted element of HTML. Textalign and color is the property name, center and blue is the property value. We have lots of properties in CSS which we cover later.